Hello and welcome back to Toolbox Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to use Canva from the beginning. You can use either a free version or you can use a pro version. I even gonna include the link where you can find it, and I'm gonna show you how to use pro for 30 days trial. You can also cancel at any time the trial period. So what you want to do at the beginning, you just go to the Canva page, canva.com, and here you have plans pricing, and you can press here compare price plan, and as you can see you can use for free version. It has limited options. You get 2 million professional design templates, 1000 design types, and so on, and just 5 GB of cloud storage. If you have Canva Pro, you have 1 TB of cloud storage, online custom support, plan and schedule, social content, and stuff like that. I'm going to show you step by step how to use it and what are you missing if you're not getting Canva Pro. So you have AI and a lot of more perks and apps in Canva. So you start here, you can pay it or you can get a free version, or if you scroll a little bit down, you can try for free. If you press here, you just sign up with your Google account, Facebook, email, and when you finish signing up, Canva window, and you can see a lot of templates to choose from. You don't know where to start. So let's say you want to create thumbnail. You can press here businesses. So here you have presentation, documents, whiteboard, sheets, business cards, flyers, prototypes, mind maps, and websites. You can create even websites. If you press social media, you have Instagram posts, Instagram stories, Instagram reels, Facebook posts, Facebook covers. You can create even Facebook ads, and so on. You can create even YouTube thumbnail or YouTube cover. Education, if you press it, choose math, English. You can choose even grades, preschool, and so on. As you can see, you have a lot of templates to choose from. Also, Canva offers videos. You can do video messages, Facebook videos, mobile videos, video collage. Like you can combine a lot of videos in one. As you can see, Instagram collage of video or photos. This looks fun and simple. You can have even ideas where to start. If you watch my other videos, I'm gonna show you step by step on each thing you wanna do. AI, you want to generate videos, thumbnails, photos. As you can see, you can choose from a lot of it. So here we have, if we go back, we can do marketing and you can create business card. I have video how to include QR code to your business card. Canva also offers QR free code generator. You can generate the business card with QR code, so it's easier for people, or you can just show on the phone your QR code. It's going to be like your business card and it has all the information you want inside. You can even create logos, flyers, posters, brochures, and stuff like that. Even newsletters or infographics. If we go on, we have print production. If you go to print production, we can create photo books. If you press here, you can see it. You can open, and it's have 22 pages, all the different, and it have a lot of templates to choose from. Cards and invitation. You can create postcards, cards, invitations. So if you press invitations, you can you invite your parties, and easy to use to change. So for example, let's say we want to edit this one. Press here, you see the template, how it looks, how it looks printed, and you press customize this template. And here, as you can see, it's really easy to use. You just press here, you can change the text. You can even move the text where you want it. You can align it. I have videos showing how to use layers, how to see layers. And so we cover the templates, where to start, what you're doing, and what you want to do. So templates, businesses, social media, education. You can even here search for the templates you want to use it. I want to create thumbnails, so I'm typing YouTube thumbnail, and it have some examples to choose from. Is new Canva AI, which offers a lot of design inspirations. Design for me, let's say social media format. Let's choose for YouTube banner, and let's describe it what we want to do. So You can go to ChatGPT, describe your channel, the idea you want to use it for, and you copy the link. ChatGPT straight away creates the template for the Canva AI to create. You press create, and straight away, as you can see, it's generating some ideas. As you can see, straight away, generated me some ideas. It even left some space for me to edit the text, what I want to type it. And I can straight away use it in Canva editor. If you press here up, it's opens. And now I can change everything. I can even include my brand logo, my idea of the text, and so on. So let's dive into more AI designs. We did YouTube banner, so let's design something else. Let's do presentation. You press generate, submit. So as you can see, it generated me some ideas, what I can use. So let's say, for example, we want to edit this one. It created already 9 pages of it. So I can implement pictures here. If I press here, I can upload or even search the image I want to use. So let's say Canva, and we can add in logo. And here, let's say we want to find some toolbox. We can add it straight away here. We don't have to go editor. But if you want to change colors or adapt something new or insert some ideas, you press again, use Canva editor, and straight away opens new window. And you can edit here more. You can even edit and add and animate it. You can position it. Like as you can see, you can move layers. You can move this one here and so on. So as you can see, it's really easy and simple to do. If you watch my other videos, you're gonna find out how to blur, how to edit, how to make typography videos, how to make some typography hacks. I created a lot of videos helping people how to use it. And today we just covering basics on how to start. And again, we have not only Canva AI, we have apps. So as you can see, Canva offers a lot of apps to use for you, like image recolor, colorize image, alchemy art, and you can use AI music, generate QR code, as I told you before, for business cards or your invites. You can even use voice AI and AI music, voiceovers, AI text to speech. Again, I'm covering the video about that. You have Instagram post live videos and a lot of from choose from. So if you want to learn something specific, leave a comment. I will create a video how you can start doing it, or you want some graphic designs, tutorials, or how to textiling, or video and animations. Just leave a comment in below, and I will try to create a video specific for you, so you can learn using Canva. So I hope you learned something and now know how to use it. And see you next time.